When you step outside on a clear night and look up, it feels like you are staring directly into the mechanics of the universe. The human brain naturally assumes that the sky we see is a real-time, accurate reflection of reality, but our human perception is remarkably limited. Across all our centuries of observation and scientific advancement, we only understand about 5% of the universe. This animated diagram shows exactly what that gap in our knowledge looks like. The 5% represents all normal matter, every star, planet, and galaxy we detect. The remaining 95% is composed of dark matter and dark energy, which remain undetectable by our instruments. Even the visible portion of the cosmos is deceiving, because light takes time to travel. When you look at the moon, you aren't seeing it as it is right now. You are seeing it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. Apply that light speed delay to the wider cosmos, and the illusion shatters. The light from distant, twinkling stars has been traveling across the vacuum for thousands of years. By the time that light hits your retina, the star that generated it may have already burned out. The night sky is not a window into the present. It is a distorted map of a deep, invisible past, where earthly logic no longer applies. On Earth, physics relies on a very specific gravitational baseline. Heavy, massive objects will naturally sink, and our sense of logic is built around that constant downward pull. This physics simulation illustrates Saturn's density compared to water. As a gas giant, its density is lower, meaning it would bob on the surface like a balloon. At the extreme opposite, a single teaspoon of a neutron star weighs the same as 8 billion humans combined. That variation in mass dictates the basic physical capabilities of a human body. Under Earth's gravity, an average vertical jump reaches about 1.5 feet. Take that same physical exertion elsewhere, and the results warp. On Mars, that jump carries you 3 feet high. On the Moon, you soar 10 feet. But on Jupiter, the immense gravitational pull would prevent any upward movement at all. Gravity defines the physical boundaries of the matter it acts upon, dictating how objects move and how they are shaped across the solar system. Removing gravity breaks movement, but removing atmospheric pressure and air rewrites chemical behavior. In the vacuum of space, if two pieces of identical unoxidized metal touch, they fuse together into a single solid piece. Without air molecules to sit between them, the atoms do not realize they belong to separate objects. This reaction is known as cold welding. That lack of atmosphere also freezes time. On Earth, wind and weather constantly erase the past. In a vacuum, any surface disturbance becomes a permanent geological feature. Apollo astronaut boot prints from decades ago are undisturbed today. Without wind or water, these ridges will survive intact for millions of years. This preservation is why India's Chandrayaan-3 lunar rover was designed with specific tread patterns. Rolling across the moon, they pressed the ISRO logo and Ashoka chakra into the dirt, etching these symbols into the terrain forever. A vacuum also eliminates acoustics. Sound requires a medium like air to travel. In space, you could fire a gun right next to someone's ear, and they would hear nothing. In a vacuum, physical actions have permanent consequences, but they occur in absolute silence. Human biology is structurally incompatible with life outside Earth's atmospheric parameters. Without the constant downward force of Earth's gravity compressing the vertebrae, an astronaut's spine expands in orbit, causing them to grow up to 2 inches taller during a mission. Inside the human body, its internal systems will fail. Because there is no gravity to separate heavy liquids from lighter gases in the stomach, burping is a physical impossibility. Without atmospheric pressure, an unprotected human body would lose consciousness in 15 seconds. Within 2 minutes, it would perish. Surviving this environment requires a wearable spacecraft. A single NASA spacesuit costs $15 million to manufacture, providing the precise pressure and oxygen levels needed to keep a human alive for a few hours. The human frame is not built for the vacuum. We require layers of expensive, synthetic environments just to endure the conditions beyond our atmosphere. Beyond the vacuums, the planets themselves offer alien conditions. Astronomers have identified exoplanets like 55 Cancri e, a world 40 light-years away composed of diamond. Look closer to home and you find Titan, a moon with rivers of liquid natural gas. Look to Mars and you find a desert stained by iron oxide rust. Facing these conditions, humanity has moved beyond the role of a passive observer trapped on Earth. The International Space Station exists as a 450-ton outpost, assembled bit by bit within this vacuum. It is the most expensive human-made object ever constructed. It hurtles through the vacuum at 15,000 miles per hour, completing a full orbit of our planet every 90 minutes. The universe operates on physical rules that are hostile to our survival. But with every engineered module, we are learning how to work within those rules to establish a foothold in the void.